We'll now start winding down what has been a bit of an okay day, a day of consolidation for the bulls because they managed a much bigger move, a move above 25,330. But from there, we've cooled off to look at about a 25-point kind of a up move on the Nifty. So let's find out the gainers. Of course, the Bajaj twins on the financial services side, Bajaj Finserv and Finance excited ahead of the listing of Bajaj Home Finance. Then there was HCL Tech, which was probably the best performing IT stock. Infosys was also not bad, 1% higher. Kotak Mahindra put on about 0.6% as well. Select buying in IT continuing. ITC was the other large cap name that did well, supported the market 1.5% up. And then you have, of course, Hero Moto and Bajaj Auto, the two-wheeler names like Rima was mentioning. They have done relatively better than some of the four-wheeler names. Speaking of four-wheelers, look at Tata Motors, 1.5% weaker over here. Let's pull up Maruti as well. Maruti was very quiet throughout the session, is ending absolutely flat. Mahindra and Mahindra has seen some profit taking, down about 1% as well. Dr. Reddy's, because of some of the regulatory issues in China, that stock was under pressure throughout the day, down about 2.5%.
The midcap index ends in the red, down more than 100 points. The advanced decline ratio at 2 stocks gaining for 3 stocks declining. Geo Financial Services was the big winner on potential inclusion in the F&O segment, 8% gain on that. Then you had the gas stocks. So Gujarat Gas up 11%, some upgrades coming through on the back of the merger announced by the Gujarat government. So Gujarat Gas and GSPL up nearly 4%. You also had a couple of losers, Industars, Vodafone Idea, Paytm, Ola Electric catch your attention on the way down.
Well, actually, even more down than up, and generally speaking, a quieter kind of a day with not that much activity all through in terms of the price action. Sectorally, metals were down and pharmaceuticals. There were 2 indices which were down over 1%, and these are the 2. And on the upside, you basically had sort of gains come through in FMCG, and you had published at banks and IT, which were also up. Actually, FMCG is the only meaningful gainer, nearly about 0.9% up. Nifty ends about 40 points higher, just under the 25,300 level. So that's essentially the sort of wrap out for today. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. It's goodbye. Thank you very much for watching. But Markets Forward is coming up next, and Rima and I'll take all the action forward for you in just a bit. Stay with us.